Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today we're going to have a quick unboxing of the smartfrog surveillance camera. So it's a HD cam with an app, and you get video footage, and they guarantee you 5 minutes to get it set up, and you have an app on iOS and Android. So these are pretty simple to set up. We've done a couple of similar on site already from a few different companies, and they are generally simple to set up. So on this we've got night vision, a loudspeaker, microphone and a motion sensor, and you can use it for keeping an eye on your kids, protect your home and see what your pets are doing and so on. And on the back it'll give us some more information. So it's a 720p camera, and we've got IP video, 2.1mm lens, surrounding light sensor, infrared LED, night vision up to 10 meters. It did integrated digital microphone and loudspeaker, Wi-Fi module 2.4 gigahertz, and secure data transfer with encryption. So we've data protection, motion detection, noise detection, two-way audio, activity zones, eye detection, time-lapse view, clip creator, timeline, geofencing, sharing, and you can share to social media if you like. And you have a 2-year guarantee, which is pretty cool. And it'll just tell us here on the side how to set it up in 5 minutes, and we can't see that being a problem at all. So when we open the box, we get the quick start manual, and it'll just give us an information basis on what we need to do, and you get some indicators here what the LED is. Typical setup on a camera like so or similar objects. So in the box we get the camera first off, and then we get some extras here. So we have our plug here for our power, which is micro USB, and we have some screws if you want to mount it on a wall. So here's the camera here itself, and it's pretty neat and small enough. We've got a reset button on the back there, as you can see, and we just peel off these plastic bits here, and we've some kind of pull tab there, yeah, and that's for that front piece as well. So that's it there in general. We've got smartfrog here, and you can see you can move in many ways on this axis here, and this turns. So if you like, you can just leave it as it is and put it on a stand, or put it on a surface and leave it flat like so. But you can wall mount it with this piece here with the little screws that we showed you earlier, and place it on a wall. So you know, it's pretty versatile, pretty mobile, and it's very, very light as well, and you should be fine with that. And there is the charging port underneath there, and this also spins around here. So you just use the charge port for your straight view, if you will, to keep it properly balanced, and then you can just turn it around to whatever may suit you. And I'm just checking out this clip here, which doesn't pop off hand. There's a little gap here, so I'm just curious as to what this is here, but that might tell us in the manual here, and it doesn't really, so I'll have to check it out. So as I said, there's a reset button on the back. It's pretty simple to set up. Works off your mains power. Again, you can get some of these that are working with batteries through wireless. This is main, so pretty cool. And that's really about it for now. So any questions on this product, get me at techbuzzorn.com, and check the blog out for lots of videos coming soon. And we'll talk to you in the next one. And thanks to smartfrog also for sending us this to check out. We'll see you soon.